Our next game is called Sound Effects, and this is going to be a fun one because of our new mic setup. In this game, we've got Michal and Joel. They're going to be performing a scene of your choice, as usual, of course. But two members of the audience are going to be providing the sound effects for them. And bear in mind, the worse it is, the funnier it will be. So, first of all, while you're mulling this over, we need a location, preferably a location where there's a lot of sound. So it's quite good if you imagine an action movie. Make up an action movie title in your head. Go. In your head, I just said, didn't I? Yeah, shout it out! Anyone got an action movie title? Fictional, not an real. A car chase movie. Wonderful. Okay, so what exactly is going to happen? Anyone? Okay, so we got. Okay, that's very specific. Wonderful. Why are they having a car chase?
The bad guy was chasing after the bad guy.
Okay, so these are the good guys chasing after the bad guys. Fantastic. Chasing down a criminal. So can we have volunteers that will be willing to take one of our microphones and obviously have a lovely duster and basically just make stupid sound effects into them? Okay, we've got two volunteers right there. Fantastic. Come on up. If I'm not mistaken, that's Louise and Beth. Round of applause. Woo-hoo. Right. So Beth, if you wouldn't mind providing the sound effects for Michal.
Okay.
You will have a microphone held in front of you. And if you, Louise, would like to perform all the sound effects that Joel needs.
Okay.
Take it away!
Okay, I'm opening the car door. Yes, and we're gonna try and race it. I don't know how we're gonna do this.
Okay, I'm just gonna try and open my door as well. How old is this fucking thing?
I don't know this thing.
Okay. Right, can I just...
Wait, my door is open! It's not closing.
It's not closing, it's all just...
Bang!
There we go!
That hurt. I brought coffee.
Oh, thanks very much.
I thought it's gonna take a while.
Hope it's not too hot.
Yes, I asked for it to be cold, just the way you like it.
Just so I can plug it down. Right now, can I just ask, are we driving in America or England?
Oh, well, you have the steering wheel.
Okay, so it's in America then.
Yes.
Right, okay.
Right, seatbelts.
Okay.
Snap.
One of those comedy seatbelts, that's it. Oh, it's just what you need when you're doing a car chase.
No, they're getting away. They're getting away. Okay.
Sorry. There we go.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. I'll take out my gun. It's
Oh, you brought the water pistol.
Yes, it sprays water. I'll open the window. Yes, it peeps out. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start the ignition. The key snapped off! The keys, I'm gonna have to hotwire it! Sorry!
And now I need to open the whole window! There's a cat here!
Why do you need to bring a cat in a car chase?
Well, I don't know, he just wants to be with us!
Oh, lovely!
Okay, drive! I don't know where they are now.
Fucking hell! I was not expecting this engine with such power!
Drake, there's a tree! That's a tree!
Oh, no, we're going that the car's exploding! It's going to be very difficult to keep this thing going now that we've been burnt to a cinder.
Well, let's run!
Yes.
We'll chase them!
Okay!
That's my heart! Can you hear it?
I can hear it.
I can't hear it anymore, I'm dying.
Oh no, don't worry, I'll get my defibrillator.
Okay.
It's pretty powerful. Are you ready?
That didn't hurt at all.
Oh, it's fine.
That's it!
Hey! Round of applause, please, for Beth and for Louise.
Fantastic, thank you.
Thanks for watching our video right to the end. Please do click like if you, well, liked it, and don't forget to subscribe below to get more chuckles as soon as we release them. See you next time.